I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to unlock a BlackBerry 8100 Pro on Rogers. Follow these step-by-step instructions and you will have an unlocked BlackBerry 8100 Pro on Rogers by the end of this process. Alright, you guys find your IMEI number on your BlackBerry Pro because that's what we need. So you'll take the IMEI number, go to globalunlock.com and get your unlock code. How do you get the IMEI number? Type in star, pound, 0, 6, pound, and you will see a number appear on the screen. Right? There's some dots in there. Don't worry about the dots. There's spaces, slashes, all that kind of stuff. That's not really something to worry about. All we need is the numerical. So you take that number, go over to globalunlock.com, enter that into our website, follow the instructions there. What we need is your make, your model, your network. Sometimes, if your network's not required, then hit other, and your IMEI number, and we calculate your unlock code off of that. So now, assuming that you've done that, you've gone to Global Unlock and you've got your unlock code, we can move on to the next step. Alright, now we're going to do the unlocking of the BlackBerry. So I'll show you step by step here on exactly what you need to do for the unlocking process of it. First of all, you'll notice it says insert SIM card. So I need to insert a SIM card into this phone. So I'm going to insert a SIM card. Alright, so I've inserted a SIM card into the phone. Anyone who has a BlackBerry knows how the great turn-on time and how long it takes. So I will power that on, and then I will show you the exact steps. Of course, there's also written steps of this, which you will get or should have got as well with this video, that will walk you step by step through exactly what I'm doing. So first step is to obviously insert your SIM card into the phone. I've inserted a Fido SIM card, which is a SIM card that doesn't work with this phone. You can see it's a Rogers, and I've inserted a Fido. So you power on the phone and you turn off the radio, so make sure that the wireless is actually off. It's very important to make sure of this when you're unlocking the BlackBerry Pro. As you know, this process will work on the 8100, the 8110, the 8120, any basically BlackBerry Pro. The 8300s have a very similar process. Like example here, you're going to press in MEPPD. There, you'll press in MEPD. So I'll show you that in a second. But it's really similar. If you haven't checked out the Global Unlock ebook yet, definitely do that. Also the Global Unlock toolbar, accredited by Better Business Bureau, needing help, call our 800 number. There's a lot of stuff I can tell you, and why we're a credible source for doing business with and unlocking phones. Been doing this for about 5 years. Okay, so now I've killed some time doing that. Let me actually show you the process. So I'm going down to applications, right? It says invalid SIM card. You see the invalid SIM card message on there? Applications. So you can actually put the original SIM card in, or you could put in an invalid SIM card. You just need to have a SIM card in. And with the original SIM card, you have to make sure wireless is off. With this, you don't. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go. I need to find options. So I found options. I'm going to click on options. Now I'm going to click on advanced options. I'm going to go and I'm going to find SIM card. Click on SIM card. Now I'm typing in Michael Edmund Peter David MEPPD. Now you see where it says active. That shows you that this phone is still locked. If it said disabled, that means that your phone's actually already unlocked. So now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna actually type in hold on, MEPP Alt 2. So Michael Edmund Peter Alt 2. Now I have 250 tries left on this phone. I haven't tried to unlock it yet. If that gets to 0, good luck in doing that. It's pretty tough. It takes a lot of time to do that. So if you put in the wrong code too many times, that's what it will come down to. Also, this code will not work on your phone because the unlock code is unique for each phone. So make sure that you have your unlock phone, globalunlock.com, and that will work on your phone. Actually, you know what? Let me show you two things. Let me actually show you where I'm just going to put in the wrong number. I've just typed in numbers. Code error. Please wait. What does that mean? That means that obviously It did not work because I put in the wrong unlock code. Now let me show you myself doing it right. Michael, admin, Peter, alt 2. And I'm going to put in 2327756. So that is the correct unlock code, so I'm going to enter it in the phone. Then I'm going to hit the jog. Code accepted. Now you notice that it said disable here, and you'll notice that the phone number 416-857-7601 is on here. That's a global unlock phone number. One of the numbers, and you call 1-866-99-UNLOCK. So now you also notice that it says Rogers Wireless, so you actually picked up a network.